everybody. So we have Miss Kiranveer here for our today's interview.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
So, ma'am, can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
See, I am Kiranveer Dhaliwal, and recently I have opened a new company, Ruhani Careers. Before this, I was into finance and admin. Somewhere around in 2007, I used to work for some company regarding children's counseling. That was basically New Zealand student counseling. After that, due to some family commitments, I came to Mumbai. We shifted to Mumbai, and here I joined a pharmaceutical company as an executive assistant to MD. So I learned so much about business there. I was hiring, I was looking after finance, I was doing everything in the company, whatever an MD does. From there, I started, then we founded our own company, I and my husband together. That was Ruhani Electricals, as my husband is electrical engineer. So we are also into electrical contracting business in Navi Mumbai. So Ruhani Electricals is now well-established company. So there I was hiring, I was looking after finances, I was looking after all the back-end documentation, everything. So basically I am already a business person and this is the new venture that I am coming into. Yeah, see, as I told you, I was already doing counseling prior to all these roles. So I was really enjoying, and sometimes, students used to come to us at that time and they didn't know the difference between study abroad agents and career counselors. They used to tell, ma'am, whatever is available, give us that. Even when I had my own company and I used to hire people, sometimes some girls used to come, they have done ITI in electrical. When we used to say that it is all about working on sites, they were like, no, we don't want to work on site. They used to not know only that what will be their job profile, where they will go and work. Like it was, students just go, they study, they come out, and when they come to know that this is the place where we are going to work, they are like, nowhere. They want to change their profile. It's okay. Anytime you can change your profile. But you are wasting so many years. You are paying so much of fees. I have seen, people struggling. Even in pharmaceutical companies, sometimes girls or even boys, they used to say, no, we don't want to work in factory after chemical engineering. You have to work in factory, bacha. Where you will go and work. So these all were the things that I thought that, yes, now many people are aware of career counseling. They come for career counseling. They ask you, like in my family, many of my relatives' children, they come and ask me, okay, auntie, you are like well versed. You have done so much job, business, everything you handle. So you must be knowing what is good for us. Okay, just saying what is good for them is like okay thing. But there, comes a responsibility. When they come and ask you, then you are responsible when you are guiding them. You should have proper guidance. That is why I opted for career counseling course. And I thought, let me learn all the things and let me help people. Let me tell students exactly. Because see, your career defines you. Your career will take you, will give you the atmosphere. What you have studied will decide in what atmosphere you will work, where you will stay, and even how you will behave. So these are the things you should take, informed decisions. When I am guiding someone, then that I should be comfortable that yes, I know what I am telling them. I am not just, taking something from internet. I am just going on and I am telling them, okay, do this. This is the new things. Many new courses are coming in. So this was the main purpose for me, to take the responsibility and to give students the right guidance. So I took this course as a career counselor, and I am a business person, so I keep opening new ventures. I keep coming in new ventures. So this is, something I have already worked. I already have experience. Now it's 25 years of experience since I am guiding people. I'm guiding students. I'm guiding relatives. See, I was not looking at only the course thing, because only the course thing now, only the theory thing, that I have gone through University of Los Angeles also. I am a certified career counselor from University of Los Angeles also. But the thing is, only theory is there. You don't get so much of practical knowledge. So in India, I was looking for something, which also gives me the practical knowledge, which gives me all the new things that have come in, all the new courses, how to handle a child, how to handle parents. Mainly, sometimes parents think we don't need any career counselor. We know our child is going to study this only. Sometimes they come to us and they say, ma'am, we know we want to do this only. You just guide us on this only. Give us a better college and this. Arey Baba, how you have decided that? Who said you to do that? Some parents are educated, so that is fine. But some parents just, okay, our that relative has done this, they are earning very good, so I want my child to do that. He or she will also earn very well. These are not the right things. So I wanted, someone along with theory, they should give me practical knowledge also. And in Infigon, yes, you were our mentor. So you have given us theory knowledge, also the practical sessions, the role plays that we have done. I learned a lot from there. So I am very much confident now.
Thank you, Kiranbir.
I was searching, on the websites. I was looking for the career counseling people. I was looking their profile and all this. Suddenly this Infigon came in front. Once I just saw that and I was like, okay, don't know how this will be. Then again, someone approached me and they sent me all the details. I just studied them. One thing, the best I like was their promise of giving 100 clients to you, first 100 clients. That is something very catchy, where they will help us hand holding and all that. They will help us with everything. That was the commitment of Infigon. So I thought, yes, this is the place, because once you have guided 100 people, then 1,000 are like same. When I started, I thought, okay, let me start and see how it is. I was not that time so confident. But once I joined and I took theory classes, I took that role play sessions, I took the practical sessions, I was like, okay, this is the place that will fulfill, my business will grow on this place for sure.
Wow, it feels so good to hear that, ma'am.
Your theory sessions, your practical sessions, your test sessions, everything was awesome. Along with this, the website that I have got from you guys, the technology that I have got, and AI driven technology where, my students can see more than 1,000 careers is amazing thing. That is something, when I ask someone to log in into my ID and they are like, Kiran, there are so many careers. How will we decide? Okay, I'll help you. But you see, there are so many careers nowadays. Even I myself didn't know that there are more than 1,000 careers in India. Abroad, of course, there are endless careers. But in India, all these things are present. I came to know from Infigon, and that technology is awesome. I am trying to cater all type of students, young generation plus the generation, those who want to change their career, those who have taken wrong decisions, they are not happy. Sometimes they will also come to me. Sometimes the things are not working for them because they have not taken informed. Somebody said so, they have taken, but they don't want to work in that atmosphere. They want to do nothing. See, I'll give you a nice example. One of my friends' son, she paid so much of fees for his engineering. After 2 years, that boy has totally left that. He don't want to do engineering. He came into finance. And everyone was shocked that your mom has paid so much money and now you are changing for finance. He should have gone to some career counseling thing, some psychometric test he should have taken. He should have saved so much of money. Actually, the thing is, he don't have father. So mother is working hard to make, everything go well for children. So wasting such money It was like sometimes we feel that she is so close friend to me that I felt this is not right. Somebody should go and guide children. Somebody in friend circle, somebody should be there who should guide all the children. So this is my main motto, that at least people around me, I tell them that please take informed decision. Don't think that because somebody has said this is right for you is right for you. Go for psychometric test. Though my daughter is only in 5th standard, I asked her to opt for a psychometric test so that I can see what questions she has gone through. Even I myself, sometimes I fill that form for different age and I see how they are doing it, and it's awesome. It's very good. You should take psychometric test.
I think with this now we all understand how important it is to do career counseling at an early stage, so that you can plan your finances also that strongly, because it's a big investment and that needs a good plan. So it's a very important learning from this.
And also it saves you time, money, and everything that you are putting into.
True.
Your own things that you are putting into, your efforts that you are putting into, that all are saved that way. And you know what you are doing, where you will go and what you will do. So knowing that is very important. So I am targeting all the generation, whoever wants guidance on that. Main challenges, like I told you, sometimes parents, they don't want to tell someone that why they should give psychometric test. No, we don't want to. We know that. Okay, sometimes I have seen also parents, both are engineers, and they are like, we want our child to be engineer. The child is saying, no, I want to be artist. I don't want to go into engineering. But parents are not ready to listen. So this all are the things that sometimes disturbs you. But then you have to make them understand. You have to tell them the importance of psychometric test. You have to tell them that if your child will not be able to do, you are paying so much of money. You also see all the time, the efforts on not only your child, but you yourself is giving all that things also. Why you want to waste all that? And give happiness to your child, not only career. Along with career, give them happiness. That is the most important part. So this is how I try to convince them. I show them certain examples. I show them the whole site. I show them so many careers. So see this, there are so many careers. Why you want your child to, stick to your thing only. And certain careers, as generation is growing nowadays, courses are changing. Today is something else and tomorrow is something else. You need to change with the time. So this is how I am trying to learn all the things. I am trying to read each and every career that thing is there in our portfolio. Every day I open some of the college. I see what are the courses. If I myself will not know, how I will tell people. So I am myself, learning every day.
I think that is quite important, right? Whereas career counselors are matching the speed at which the whole world is running.
Yeah, matching the speed is also a task. Indian parents, again the same thing. They have 5 to 6 careers from which they choose. They want their children to go. Mainly what they have done, the children should study the same. But there are no jobs in the same careers now. Careers are changing, jobs are changing, profiles are changing. And as we have already mentioned in our website, that there are so many graduates, but if they don't have proper skills, they will be jobless. So my advice to parents is, please go through the new careers, please go through the new things. Let your child have new skills that are available. In our time, no one was there to guide us, but now there are career counselors. Just go and take their services. They are there for you. They will guide you. They will give you the best advices. And not only the best advices, they will, prove it scientifically that this is right for your child. There are many skills in market that Indian parents don't know, that my child tomorrow will need this. Today people are scared of AI, but tomorrow when they will learn all the things and they'll know that, no, my child can run that AI, then they will be very happy. So my advice is, please try to educate yourself. Even parents need to educate themselves that there are career counselors who can help them. So please take these services. I don't follow the same method with all the students because every student is unique. They have some different problems, but basically I start from listening. First, I try to listen. I try to understand everything they want to say. They have problem with some subject. Their parents have some other views. They have some other views. Sometimes I also listen to parents separately that, okay, what you want to say. Then slowly sometimes I guide them that please take a psychometric test. Sometimes before psychometric test, I give them certain careers that please go through these careers. These are the new things in the market. You see, do you like it? Then we will decide. Please take some time. Please understand certain things. Then some children give psychometric test. Then I give them certain careers that you please see how it is. And see, I don't take decision for them. I make them able to take decision for their own self. I give everything in their hand. Being a guide, I am just a guide. I am no one to take decision for them. But I help them to take the right decision. That is what exactly I do. I educate them with the available careers, available streams, available colleges, available everything, whatever is available in my hands, I give them that please study this. See, you have questions, come and ask me. I'll answer all your questions. This is how I guide. I am everywhere. So if you want to connect me, you can just go on my website www.ruhanicareers.com. Plus I am also there on Infigon. I am on there on Instagram, Ruhani Careers again. Facebook, I have a page, Ruhani Careers again. And even on LinkedIn, you can come to Ruhani Careers. Anywhere you can just come and connect. Of course, I'll recommend, ma'am, of course, because this is the best course that I have done. See, a theory anyone can give you, but practical knowledge you will get from Infigon. This I will tell to everybody that if you want some practical knowledge, hand holding, running your business, and proper psychometric test IDs, even I have an ID with Infigon, ruhanicareers.infigon.in. People can also connect on that. You can see AI generated careers are there, chatbot is there. People can come and they can see. And this is the best place. You won't get hand holding for such a long time on any other platform. Infigon is giving such a good knowledge. I think whoever wants to do career counseling, they should come to Infigon.
Thank you so much, Kiran ma'am. It was great having you on board.